So we're here in Cable Beach. We are in New Providence and Nassau, Bahamas. And this is what $4 million starting will get you. This is absolutely stunning. 3 bedrooms, 3 bath, and a half powder room. But look at this view. And of course, this is just a beautiful space. But we're gonna go look at where the equity is. We're gonna come over here. And so this is called Aqualina. It's a newer development. And you have balconies in the front and in the back. This is actually your master bedroom suite over here, but I've got to tease you with all of this. Oh my, that's Atlantis in the far distance. And so this is absolutely stunning. There's your pool area. You have a covered clubhouse area, but look at this view. And the same developer that built this one, Aqualina, also built the one Cable Beach, which is right next door as well. This is some of the most stunning I have ever seen. So starting at $4 million, you can have paradise awaits you. And we're gonna go back inside and I'm gonna sneak you into the incredible master bedroom area as well. So Kelly Lee here, you know that I'm looking at properties, meeting agents. I am your go-to to find the right agent here in the Bahamas and find out what lifestyle you want, what feels good to you, what your price point is. This one, you can do some shorter term rentals on this as well, which is absolutely amazing. That is your master bedroom view. And this is your primary bed space. And of course it goes walking into, you've got walk-in closets actually throughout the entire beautiful condominium, your closets, of course your little private bodies, big shower. So you're here and hi there, greetings, nice to see you all. Look forward to seeing you in person. And this is your double sink. And of course, you have all of your bathtub. But look at that. This actually, that will go opaque as well if you don't feel like looking out. If you don't want someone to see you in the tub, I'm all about the view. I love how they did that. So anyway, have a great time here in Nassau. And no wonder people are buying. No wonder inventory is running a little bit short. When you have something like this, 3 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and you get to overlook, this is the piece of paradise. This is what is real. I am in love with this. And you're not too far from the airport. You're within about 15 minutes. As I said, Atlantis is over there, so your downtown area. You're right in the most beautiful location here on Cable Beach, and you have your own little private beach as well. I think this is a definition of beautiful. So I'm here to be your Nassau contact. I'm from St. Pete Beach, and what I do is I meet buyers who are thinking about second homes, retiring down in the Bahamas, and what they want to do, and what price points are, and what is the purpose of the property and the lifestyle that they are choosing to have.